Alright, so first thing that I noticed is that the screws are too big for the holes, and that's quite common in 3D printing. I may have to drill the holes to be a little bit wider before I can actually do the next part, which would be attaching the fan. On this kind of setup here, the fan may have to go on the outside, because as you can see here, if you try to put it on the inside, it just will not fit, or if it does, it'll be a very tight squeeze and it may actually end up breaking things. I don't know. That's kind of one of the problems with 3D printing, is sometimes the parts will not print at the size that you want them to, even though that you created the model at the perfect size. Sometimes you have to print them just a little bit larger or a little bit smaller depending on the circumstances. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.